Well, that doesn't mean you got to splash around on purpose. Okay? Let's try not to get dirty on purpose.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Jay, and today we're going to our Arenal volcano. Yes, yes. You guys excited?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes. We'll see you guys later.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, yeah. I want to.
I realized that there is a bolt on his car that will work good as a nut. Normally at 2-3 years old, that bolt can castrate. So we want the bolt to become docile, right? And then a year later, we start training that bolt to work, doing all kind of activity, pulling car, working on the field. Those are kind of activities that we will never gonna be able to do with a regular bolt because it's still having, the production of testosterone, hormones, right? And we just want the bull to become docile, right? That's why we castrate those. These are former Brahma bull. Yemen, the trade road to Europe, and Europeans brought coffee to the New World. It's not native. So you will never gonna find coffee in the wild in the Central South American tropical realm. Panama, because during the dry season in Guanacaste, the cattle field look like African savannas. We don't have savannas here. Look like And in the past, there were only cattle, activity. There were oxen, cowboys. So they got the name Savannas. With the dog helping to herd cattle. They all gonna come to you, and unfortunately, that's not good for them. Supposedly, we're not allowed, but we do have people that are still doing that. And as you can see, anything, right? In the wild, they go for insects, and they chase any small lizards. They
Look at it.
home on the wall made by birds, by coatis, and the small ones, round ones, give me a
Just walk this. You got it, Jace. He is so scared. Go ahead. No, you can make me drop the GoPro. Hold on. Want to get a picture here, babe? Aye, aye.
Amazing view with the rain.
Jace is so scared.
Did I get mommy?
No, because I'm scaring myself.
This is kind of intimidating now, we'll be honest. So we're crossing the crossing bridge here at the Arenal Trail with the La Familia, who's scared out of their minds. Come on, Katha, keep walking, mama. Jace, just walk, bud. Just walk. You got this. You're almost there. Walk.
Walk, Jace. Come on. You're still behind us.
Ain't nobody behind you. You just scared.
Good. I'm glad you're having fun.
Look, we made it. There's a river down there. Yeah. You can come right here. You can see kind of the rocks of the river. Look. You can see the water. See the water? Get down, Jess. Wrong tour bridges. Look. Look, where you going? Go.
That's the maximum.
Jace, just walk, bud. I promise you won't fall. I got you. Whoop. You okay? Look, you're getting over your fears of heights in one day, dude. No, don't hold my hand. You're a big boy.
Yeah, you're a big kid.
You okay, mommy?
Yeah.
You guys see the river?
Wait, what do you say?
The river.
There.
It's right there.
Wait, what's that? The river.
Man, let's hurry up all this thing. Go. We've exceeded our maximum capacity of this bridge. So, if this video is found later, you know what happened. Quick. Alright, go. Walking backwards, and we got someone over here scared, about to go into panic attack. Her palms are sweating. If these other people weren't honest, I would jump and make you like all over.
No, the thing specifically says no running.
Exactly. Other people are here.
It's
Otherwise,
gonna rain.
I told you. So we're making it out of the rainforest just in time. It is getting ready to rain here shortly. Hence, rainforest. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, guys. This is fun. Now it's time to grub a dub dub. Grub a dub dub. Say cheese. I am. Get over there. Thank you.
Kimchi. Kimchi. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Todos están pendientes a ti, pero tú puesta pa' mí, haciendo que me odien más, porque todos te quieren probar. Lo que no saben es que no te dejas llevar de cualquiera, y todos te quieren probar. Lo que no saben es que hoy yo te voy a buscar. Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía. Tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía.
Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía. Tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Bebé, yo soy fan de tu caminar. Te doy todo lo mío hasta mi respirar. Contigo veo todo como en espiral. Quiero tirarnos fotos y que se haga